Look at this. It's everything I want on a plate. You know, you've got your souvlaki, your olives. I love using Kalamata olives. Hi, I'm Shadi with Unicorns in the Kitchen, and let's make some chicken souvlaki. We're going to use chicken breast to make chicken souvlaki. And as for the marinade, we are going to use some olive oil, some lemon juice, garlic, salt, and some dried oregano. Such a simple marinade, but with so much flavor. Let's get cooking. I've cut my chicken into pieces, and now I'm going to transfer it into this bowl and start making the marinade. To the chicken, I'm going to add some olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the best. And then I'm going to add my oregano, some salt, and then I'm going to mince my garlic. I like to use a lot of garlic, but if you're not a garlic fan as much as I am, feel free to use fewer garlic cloves. Okay, here we are. This is gonna be garlicky and nice, just the way I like it. Here I have 2 quite big lemons, and I'm going to squeeze them right in. So if you're using your hand, I'm going to show you, if you don't have one of these, you can also squeeze the lemon by hand. Simply just hold your hand underneath, and this way you can catch the seeds, just like I do here. And this is just fine. Just make sure your hands are clean. Mine are. I just washed them, so no worries. I'm ready to mix this marinade into the chicken. I usually like to let this sit overnight in the fridge, but if you don't have the time, you can just let it marinate for even 30 minutes to an hour would work, but the longer the better. But make sure you're not letting it marinate more than 24 hours, since chicken just doesn't do well if it's just in the fridge uncooked for more than 24 hours. Okay, so this has been sitting in the fridge for a few hours now, and now we're ready to thread them on these skewers. I like to use wooden skewers, but metal works just fine, especially if you're grilling outside. Today I'm just using my grill pan, which I find very easy to use, especially if you are, short on time or the weather doesn't permit grilling. What's important is that you want to make sure that you're not overcrowding the skewers. Otherwise the chicken wouldn't cook properly. I think I can add one more here probably. Yep, we can. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna move it over here, and then we're just gonna continue threading the chicken. If you are grilling these on charcoal or gas grill, make sure to grill them on high or medium high, basically, so they keep the juice inside. If you cook them on low heat, then they will release their juice and they wouldn't be as crispy and nice and golden brown, the color that we want. I'm going to just drizzle this with a little bit of olive oil, and it's time to sear this. Ah, that sizzle, huh? Yeah. I wish you could smell this. This is really good. So these have been searing for about 4 or 5 minutes now. Now I'm going to flip them. Oh, these look so good. Look at that color. I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. I'm going to let these cook for another 4 to 5 minutes until they are completely cooked through. Look at this. It's everything plate. You've got your souvlaki, your olives. I love using Kalamata olives for this. Some bread, pita of course, red onion, perfect, and some tomatoes. This is a plate of perfection. And just to take it to the next level, I'm going to add some tzatziki and serve with it. Let's see. This just looks so juicy and nice. Okay, I have this here. Gonna have some onion, gonna add a little bit of tzatziki on top, and I'm ready to dig in. This is a mouthful. I'm really happy with this. It's lemony, juicy, little garlicky. And it just has this fresh flavor from the oregano and the olive oil and all of that. with the nice Kalamata olive. This is gonna be great. Enjoy.